Good morning. This is my just out of bed head, and we are leaving today. So let's go. So, are you preparing?
Yeah, it's always good when you go sailing. Everything needs to be cleaned up. So, good reason to do that. Where does this one come from?
It was... You took it out of the cupboard?
Yeah?
Yes.
It must be here.
The plan of today is to go to Marsa. It's about 30 miles and it may take around 7 or 8 hours. And halfway there are some nice reefs, and if we have time left we want to stop there for a quick swim. But we don't know yet, so we'll see how fast we go. If possible, we always like it to leave without an engine, so just using the sails. So we released the rope on the starboard side. It was attached to an anchor. It's heavy. With the chain it's really heavy, yeah? And we released the rope from the port side that was attached to the reef. And now we are only attached on the front. So we prepare the sails as far as possible, and then when we release the rope we hoist the sail and we sail away. So that's the plan.
There are many jellyfishes today.
I have to be careful for our sweet water supply. So far it didn't work though. We'll have to fine tune it. So we try to catch a fish. Let's do it. I think anything is fine. Bigger than this, and it has to fit in the freezer. And then like this, it's easy. If you hear this sound, then it's a big fish. If you only hear this, then it's a small fish.
Lord, your ways are higher than my mind could ever reach, but still you call me to come.
So we have a really smooth trip so far. There is like 15 knots of wind. We go 4.5 ourselves, and there are not many waves, so it's really good. And we just passed a couple of islands, like reefs, Ernesto Reef it's called, and we wanted to stop there to snorkel, but the wind doesn't allow us, because in the afternoon there is no wind to sail further, and tomorrow there will be strong south wind and we can't stay then at the reef, so we had to decide to go straight to Marsa. But yeah, it's good to make some miles as well. We did 11 so far and we have 15 more to go. So.
And I know that you are always listening, and you hear me. Oh, I know you hear me.
So we are approaching Marsa, and it's a big bay, and I see many boats there. I hope they will let us in, because you have to have a mooring here, right?
I think that's what other people said, right?
Yeah.
I don't remember exactly, but I think so.
We'll have to see. First I take in the fishing line, and I have to disappoint you because we don't have a catch today. Okay, next time better. But we are almost in the reef now, and tomorrow we will let you know if we are allowed inside. But for now, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Peace out.